Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with Ekadashi recipe. Ekadashi is near and the Grand Rath Yatra is just around the corner. If you are still wondering what to prepare for our Jagannath, then here is his favorite fruit, jackfruit. Let's prepare Ekadashi Jackfruit Tikki. This recipe is very simple, quick, sattvic and absolutely delicious and perfectly suitable for fasting. So let's get started. So here I am taking 500 grams of peeled, cut and washed jackfruit. Transfer this into a cooker and add half teaspoon of Sendha salt. Add half a cup of water. Cover the lid and cook it for 6 whistles on low flame. It has been half an hour and the cooker has cooled. Let's check. You can see here the jackfruit have boiled well. Cool it completely. Meanwhile, take 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Add 1 cup of makhana, also known as foxnuts. Now roast the makhanas on low flame until they turn crispy. Stir it continuously. After 5 minutes, the makhanas are nicely roasted. Transfer them to a mixie jar. Grind it into a fine powder. This is ready. Keep it aside. After half an hour, the jackfruit has now cooled down. Transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it without water. The mixture is ground and ready. Let's transfer into a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and green chillies. Add the makhana powder that we have prepared. Add the Sendha salt as per requirement. 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Half a cup of roasted crushed peanuts. Add 1 teaspoon of Ekadashi Garam Masala and 3 tablespoons of rajgira atta, also known as amaranth flour. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Combine all this well. The makhana powder works as an excellent binder in this recipe. We have also used our special Ekadashi Masala. If you are interested, the contact number is available in the description box. The mixture is ready. Now apply some oil on your palm. Our mixture is perfectly ready. Now take a small portion and shape it into a round tikki like this. Feel free to give it any shape you love, heart, oval or even something creative. Similarly, make all. We can prepare 8 medium-sized of tikkis. Take around 2 tablespoons of rajgira atta in a plate and coat each tikki evenly like this. Now let's shallow fry the tikkis. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Now place the tikkis. Drizzle some ghee. Shallow fry them on low flame until they become beautifully golden and perfectly crispy. After about 3 to 4 minutes, flip the tikkis. You can see how beautifully they have shallow fried. They have turned a perfect golden brown and look wonderfully crispy. Similarly, fry other side also. It has been total 6 to 7 minutes and tikkis are ready. Take them out in a plate and similarly fry all the tikkis. Here we are serving our jackfruit tikkis with a flavorful green chutney perfect for Ekadashi. We have already shared this chutney recipe in a previous video and you will find the link in the description box. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. If you like all these prasadam recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.